Hello. Today onwards, let's learn cursive handwriting. First of all, what is cursive? Cursive generally it has different things to different people. Actually, when it's come to a style of handwriting that involves joining letters to form words. Here we have written cursive handwriting. So, but various styles of cursive have emerged over the centuries. What are the things required to learn to write cursive? So first, to write cursive letters, you should first make sure that you have certain tools. Tools are here, like a list of tools. 1. A pencil. An eraser. And we can say black ink pen. A pen, it may be any standard pen also, and practice book. Yeah, what are the benefits of learning cursive writing? So first one, the development of fine motor skills, that is we can say writing skills. Also it is increased cognitive ability. Third one, enhanced memory and learning, so because that requires a lot of patience and as well as focus. And it also gave a kind of dyslexia and similar learning disabilities. Just to overcome these disabilities, they are unable to write certain things, then it helps. And the fifth one, increase academic ability. So once you write in cursive, it gives an kind of good impression. Yeah, before we start, we must have a book like this. So we have here 4 ruled notebook. So first one, we can say this is top uh, guideline. The second, the middle one, waistline. And next, this is called baseline. And last one, bottom guideline. So when you are writing something, so you should be focused on this, we have to focus on this, it is like 65 degrees. This lined paper throughout this book is therefore, so here we can see the lines are spread 4 mm and 6 mm and 4 mm apart, so it's 6 and 4. So the writing slope is we have mentioned is 65 degrees slope. The main body of the letters is written between two bold lines, maybe something here between these two bold lines, the baseline and waistline. The space defines the x height and the height of the letter x. So here, for example, when we have written something like x, it indicates x, that it shows the slope. The upper bold line is called the waistline. So some letters like B, D, F reach up to the top guideline with a taller line called an ascender. Other letters such as J, G and Y throw a tail or descender down to the bottom guideline. So it's is the way to. So the next one, the writing posture. So you hold the pen comfortably, so whichever way you are comfortable. The holding pen also is an important aspect in writing cursive, so you have to hold it properly with fingers. So whichever way you are comfortable in holding the pen, you fold it comfortably. Once you are comfortable, then you can start writing the basic lines here. So first you can do this upper one this. You just make it straight lines. You just make it straight lines. You follow this way, so you practice the straight lines. Otherwise we say this strokes. Just follow the strokes, so maybe 1 page or 2 pages till you are comfortable with the strokes. So like it indicates that's kind of slope, like it arrow marks indicate there's a slope, kind of slope. So you can practice this till you get perfection in writing it. This is the first one for basics. Second step is second stroke is like it indicates like this. I'm giving using the arrows here. It indicates like this. So it's also almost the same, but it comes touches and a kind of a curve here. So top guideline to baseline and a stroke. So still you just use the strokes till you get the perfection in using the strokes. So you can practice this, and there is a, so you can see that a slight slope. So you have given here, this is a kind of a slope which it indicates. So you can use these lines, even if you want a kind of thing, you can you can divide this line into three parts and you can write it. So whenever you're writing it, initially you can start with slow and focused. So once you are comfortable with this strokes, so you can make it somewhat faster. So strokes are important. It's like a base. So the base is strong, then we can put more efforts to, and it is easy for us to write cursive very comfortably. Yeah, today you practice these two strokes till you get the perfection. So once it is done, so then tomorrow we go for in lesson 2 we come up with some more strokes or letters, whichever is. Yeah, thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, like and comment. Thank you very much.